Yeah, nigga better not play, he better not slip, he ain't no dummy. He better not slip, he ain't no dummy. And I been cutting niggas off, I don't want no love, bitch, I want blood. Look inside my eyes, but you can tell that I'm a thug. And I been feeling all this pain. What's going on, my limitless soldiers? What's going on, my limitless family? We got an unboxing video today. Feel me? I had got this stuff gifted to me. I'm gonna drop the description down below in the description. I'm gonna drop the link below down in the description. But we got an unboxing video from Temu. Let's see what. Oh, let me do a thumbnail real quick.
This is all I got. Don't take my baby, okay?
Feel me? Thank you. My cameraman just showed me where the scissors were. It's like I'm joking. There ain't no cameraman. You can come in the camera. Come on. Pop yourself through so they can see who's in the back of the camera. Feel me? Vay's back there.
I'm actually gonna come up over
Special guest. Make sure y'all subscribe to her new YouTube channel. She got her own channel, her solo dolo channel. We got a family channel. And we got this channel. I'm trying to contemplate if I should make another channel to drop this video, the unboxing videos.
Cause we can just do, we'll ask them what they want.
I don't know. First glimpse looking in here though, I see some motherfucking jewelry. First glimpse looking in here, I see some jewelry, man. In a box.
We'll open the little one first.
I'm gonna open the little one first. And I will drop the description down below if any of y'all, the link down below. I keep on saying description. I'm gonna drop the link down in the description below if any of you guys will want this. Thinks it look nice. Temu alright. Hey, yo, Temu alright, man. I ain't gonna lie. You feel me? The back of the chain. The back of it, I ain't a pretty big fan of the back.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Stop playing.
Nobody wanna see the back.
But damn. Temu pretty fire. Don't mind my thumb, bro. I had some shit happen, bro. I had a hard life, man.
Boy, if you don't get...
But yo, oh my.
Shit dancing a little kid. Let me see that.
Temu alright. I don't appreciate how it didn't come with a necklace.
Is my chain here? You can take that chain.
It didn't come with a necklace. Where's the chain that I be having my dad's pendant on?
Did you ever take him off the Christmas tree?
Yeah.
We'll find it.
We'll find it
after this video.
This is fire. Self-made. If y'all don't know what this says, it says self-made. This is fire. I fuck with that. Self-made with the star right here. That's fire. Moving on to the box. Oh, this is fire. Oh, this is fire. Like I said, I'll drop the description down below. The link down in the description below. But
still getting used to the YouTube stuff, guys.
Yeah, I'm still trying to get used to it. But this right here is fire. Ooh.
Nice.
Off the rip, I'm seeing some fire shit, bro. This right here is something serious, bro. That's fire. Like I said, I'll drop the link in the description below. But these 2 items, I think this was pretty fire. Let's do it. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all enjoyed this this unboxing video. We got more to come.
We'll post content later.
We got post more content later on the way. You feel me? We got the bust down that we got from Temu. I'm gonna drop the link down below. We got the iced out chain that we got from Temu. So you feel me? I'm gonna drop both of these joints down below.
Pendant.
Nice little pendant. Now I didn't, you feel me? I wasn't expecting for this to be without a pendant, so that's kind of tricking my mind. But you feel me?
We got chains, guys. It's okay.
Ain't nothing but a thing. Nothing but a chicken wing. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is a little 5-minute unboxing video. I wish I could have made it longer for y'all, but I have more stuff on the way from Shein, clothing wise, so I will be unboxing that. And yeah.
Make sure you.
Boy, if you don't get. Make sure to leave a like. Make sure y'all comment down below. And make sure y'all subscribe to Vay's channel, subscribe to our family channel, and
we'll have more links that y'all gotta click on if other channels y'all gotta tap into.
Right.
Cause the whole family into this thing, the whole family in the game, both sides.
Right. And if y'all wondering why I got this on, bro, my hair looking fucked up and crazy under here. So you feel me? I ain't gonna hurt y'all eyeballs like that. So
sit down and care. I'm hurting my eyeball.
Have a good one.
Make sure y'all hit that post notification bell so y'all get notified every time he posts. And we go.
In my bag and I start snapping. I don't go to parties, last one we went to, we done crashed it. I'ma stand on business in the trenches, pistol packing. Niggas telling me don't trap, get in your bag and just keep rapping.